Qatar is a small but wealthy country in the Middle East known for the world's largest reserve of liquefied natural gas. The country is located on Arabian Peninsula with most of its territory bordering the Persian Gulf. On the one hand, it is a modern country with excellent infrastructure and luxurious lifestyles. On the other hand, Qatar still maintains its rich Arab tradition and culture with unique Islamic architecture and rich history. Hello everyone, I'm Holifa Lestari from Tour and Travel Business English 3 Class A. Now, I will be presenting about travel requirements in the country of Qatar, which consists of 3 subchapters. First, travel document. 2, immigration and custom regulation police. 3, cabin and baggage information. A travel document is an identity document issued by a government or international entity that allows individuals to cross international borders. The travel document to bring to Qatar are passport. A valid passport is mandatory for all visitors to Qatar. Ensure your passport has a validity of at least 6 months from your planned departure date. The second is visa. There are 3 types of visas for Qatar. First, visa-free entry. Citizens of many countries can obtain visa-free entry for stays of up to 30 days. Second, visa on arrival. For those eligible of visa can be obtained upon arrival at Hamad International Airport. 3. Pre-arranged visa. If you require a longer to stay or have specific reason for visiting, you might need to obtain a pre-arranged visa from the Qatar embassy or consulate in your home country. 3. Flight tickets. You can have a confirmed round-trip flight tickets. 4. Proof of accommodation reservation. Have proof of hotel or other accommodation reservation while in Qatar. And the last is travel insurance. Travel insurance that cover medical expenses and emergency evacuation is highly recommended. Immigration regulation. To enter Qatar, you will need a valid passport and a visa. However, citizens of many countries can obtain a visa on arrival at Hamad International Airport. Visa on arrival, you may need to provide proof or accommodation return ticket and sufficient funds. Health requirements. But as of now, there are no specific COVID-19 related health requirements for entry into Qatar. Custom regulation. Qatar has standard custom regulation similar to many other countries. Here are some key points to remember. Prohibited items like drugs, weapons, and pornography are strictly prohibited. Alcohol and pork product. While alcohol is available in licensed hotel and restaurant, it's illegal to possess or consume it outside their establishment. Pork products are also prohibited. Currency restriction. There are no specific currency restriction, but it's advisable to declare any significant amount of money. Duty-free goods. There is a limit to the value of duty-free goods allowed into Qatar. Additional tips when you want to Qatar. First, dress code. Well, Qatar is a modern country. It's important to respect local custom and tradition. Modest attire is generally recommended, especially when visiting religious sites or conservative area. Second, emergency contacts. Keep emergency contacts number handy, including the local police, ambulance, or your embassy or consulate. 3. Travel insurance. Consider purchasing travel insurance to cover medical emergencies, trip cancellation, and other unforeseen circumstances. Qatar Airways package allow for flight from Indonesia. Why I do choose Qatar Airways? Because Qatar Airways is the national airline of Qatar, which is famous for its world-class service and modern fleet of aircraft. Qatar Airways also has direct flight from Indonesia to Qatar. Based in Hamad International Airport, Doha, the airline has become one of the major players in the global aviation industry. Qatar Airways package launched for flight from Indonesia. Check package. Based on Qatar Airways package is the luggage carried by passengers during the flight. Check package consists of suitcase, gym bags, and boxes containing personal items. Check package launched for Qatar allows flight from Indonesia varies depending on your travel class. Economy class, typically you're allowed to check in one bag with a maximum weight of 23 kg. Business class, you can usually check in 2 bags each with a maximum weight of 32 kg. Cabin baggage. Based on Qatar Airways, cabin is the area inside in the airplane where passengers sit during the flight, which is divided into 3 classes: economic, business, and first class. Items allowed in the cabin is divided into 3: carry-on bags, backpack, and cosmetic bag. And in the cabin, it's not allowed to carry liquid with a volume of more than 100 ml. For cabin baggage, the general rules are: economy class, 1 bag with a maximum weight of 7 kg, and business class, 2 bag with a maximum total weight of 15 kg. If you exceed the baggage allowance, you may be charged additional fees. It's feasible to check the specific fees and charges applicable to your flight. So that's all about Qatar travel requirements. Thank you for your attention. Bye.